Ponda municipality has finally selected a SOPA contractor amidst heavy criticism from the councillors in opposition, including the MGP ones. Opposition councillor claimed that the Ponda chairperson has hastily gone ahead with the bidding process, even though there were only 2 bidders. The councillors will now approach the DMA. Chairperson Radhika Naik has refuted the charges. The council meeting on Thursday decided to accept an auction bid. 5 opposition councillors will now petition the DMA.
Auction period is from 13 September to March 31st, 6.5 months. The minimum bid was fixed for open area at 16 lakhs 25,500 and for the shed area at 35 lakh 75,000. 2 persons bid for the outside area. The higher bidder is Mr. Jalesh B. Naik. There was no bidder for shed area.
Opposition group of 5 councillors suspects of foul play in the tender process as there were only 2 bidders.
पयलींच्यान आमचो ऑपोजिशन ग्रुप सगळो सोप्याक आमी विरोध केला आनी अजूनही करता. मिनिमम 3 बिडर आसूंक जाय आशिल्ले, 2च बिडर येयल्ले आनी 2 बिडरा भितर तेणी ऑप्शन घेतले आनी ते सिलेक्शन केले. हो प्रोसेस सारको ना म्हणून आमी डीएमए कडेन डीएमए कडेन गेले, डीएमए कडेन वतले, ताका आमी लेटर करतले, आमी 5 जाण काउन्सिलर मेळून, आनी हो अजूनही रद्द करचो म्हणून मागणी करतले.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent. Goa government plans to promote bird tourism in the state. A book on birds of Goa was released with an aim to conserve nature. GTDC MD Nikhil Desai proposed that 54 rooms at the old Goa residency should be named after every species of birds, and a room should be accommodated for discussions on migrating birds and other bird species. The book is composed by Savio Fonseca and Bikram Grewal.
Old Goa Residency has got 45 rooms. It is located strategically very close to the Karambolim Lake and the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. I propose that every room in that residency should be named after a bird of that area, and the entire reception could be converted into a discussion point where the bird lovers from the world can converge and talk about birds and the efforts to conserve them.
The very reason which I came with this book is not tourism, is conservation. We are hardcore conservationists, but yes, we are rational conservationists. We are not the hardcore. Because of my background in business and industry, I understand the love for nature, for conservation, and the need for development, and we have to find a midpoint between those two.
Following prudent expose, Goa anti-terrorist squad is now probing paraglider terrorist Afaq's activities in Keri Arambol. ATS is probing his activities, including details of his stay, his skills, locations, his plans and intentions. ATS on Thursday again summoned paragliding trainer Raman and quizzed him for almost an hour, while the Pedne police grilled the unauthorized guest house owners Pokri and Talkar from Keri Halmal. Afaq was staying at Talkar's guest house. Raman had made his arrangements. Watch this report.
ATS grilled Narendra Raman on Thursday again over his paragliding training to the terrorist Syed Afaq at Keri Arambol Plateau. As per sources, terrorist Syed Afaq had contacted Narendra Raman through an email. Syed requested Raman to arrange a rental house for him during the training. Later, Raman arranged a rented premises at Satish Talekar house, just adjacent to Shirish Pokre's residence where Raman stayed. But Raman has no photograph, no ID proof or any other document of terrorist Syed Afaq. Police say there is no need to arrest Narendra Raman as he is fully cooperating with investigations. ATS has found around 20 paragliding kits from the room of the Red House where Raman stayed. Meanwhile, following prudence expose on unauthorized rest houses operating illegally in Keri area, Pedne police grilled Shirish Pokre and Satish Talekar, who rented their premises to Narendra Raman and terrorist Syed Afaq. Raman stayed at Red House owned by Pokre. Police grilled both house owners for 2 hours. They are asked to be present whenever police summons them. Afaq had stayed at Talekar's house. Meanwhile, ATS on Thursday too visited the paragliding spot in Keri Terekol for further investigations. Now ATS is diving deep into investigations and trying to find out what were Afaq's plans and intentions, how long the terrorist stayed in Goa, what all he did during his stay and what did he learn and why. But Narendra Raman, neither the house owner Talekar has any photograph or ID proof or any concrete info of the terrorist Syed Afaq, which has led Goa police lurking in dark. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.